Hello, is this the owner of 133 South Oak Street?
Yes, it is.
Hello, this is RJ Bates calling you about that property that you had entered on my website. You guys still looking to sell that property?
Yes, I'm interested in selling for cash.
Awesome. How much you looking to get for it?
35,000.
35,000. All right. Is the property occupied, vacant? What's going on with it?
It's unoccupied.
Alrighty. Does the property need work to it, or what's going on?
Yes, it needs some cosmetic and details fixed. For example, the paint and the siding. But it's still structurally sound.
Gotcha. How long's it been vacant?
For about 3 years.
Gotcha. So I'm looking at a picture from May from Google Street View. I'm a little bit concerned about what's happening with the foundation. It looks like it's sitting on cinder blocks, but in certain areas the cinder blocks are missing. Are there issues there with the foundation?
Yes, the inspector said that we should look at the porch. That the porch, there were issues with the porch, but he didn't mention any foundation issues with the house itself.
Okay. All right. Let me look at this a little bit more. Yeah, I'm a little bit concerned about that foundation, because just looking at it, I mean it looks like it's missing quite a bit of what's holding it up there in certain parts. Give me just a second here to look around. Penn, are you in Batesburg, South Carolina?
Yes.
All right. So how'd you come up with 35,000?
Yes, that's what the website told me, realtor.com.
I got you. And it's 1,040 square feet. Is that correct?
Yes.
Just bear with me. I'm just looking at some of the other properties around there.
Yes, it's okay.
So I guess, was it like a rental property for you? Were you living in it, or kind of what was the story there? How's it ended up being vacant for 3 years?
Yes, it was a rental property before I bought it as a foreclosure.
Ah.
And I never got any tenants in. So it's been vacant since I bought it in 2020.
Gotcha. All right. I guess let me ask you this: how negotiable are you on that number there? If I could do cash No commissions, cover the closing costs. Are you negotiable on the 35?
Yes.
So like I said, I think I'm most concerned about the foundation there. That's my biggest concern. And I mean, I'm interested in property. Obviously, it's exactly what I'm looking for. I mean, same thing. You know, I want to do the same thing that you were going to do, right? Pick it up, fix it up, and then get a tenant in there.
It's a great area.
Yeah, and just I think I need to be closer to 20. To be honest with you.
Could it be 25?
Yeah, I can do 25.
Yes.
I can do.
Accept that offer.
Okay, then let's do this. I've got your email and
That's correct.
okay. How do you say your first name?
My first name is pronounced Alan, but it's also pronounced Alain.
Ah, I think when I left you a voicemail yesterday, I said Elaine because I was just kind of guessing. You know, I used so how what country is that from? Allah, how did you say it? Alain? Is that how you say it?
Alain. Yes, it's a French name.
Ah, that's cool. I like that. I don't think I've ever seen it. I see a lot of names. I don't think I've ever seen that way before, at least with a seller. So that's cool.
Yeah,
All right. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write this contract up. I'm gonna send it over to your email for the 25. We'll get title open, and how can we go walk the inside of the property? Is it vague? Is it lockbox or is it unlocked, or how can we gain access?
I could send you the key.
Okay. Where are you located?
I'm located in San Francisco.
Oh, geez. You're on the other side of the world.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll figure out a way to gain access to it once you get the contract signed, and we'll go from there. Okay.
Okay. Yes. I'll be looking for the contract.
Yes, it'll be over to you probably in about 10-15 minutes. Okay.
Yes, I'll sign it.
All right. Thank you.
Have a great day.
All right, Alan. Bye bye.